afternoon.
MGR Educational and Research Institute warmly welcomes you to its world-class educational campus that showcases excellent infrastructure facility housing various departments in diverse fields of study. Faculty of Engineering and Technology, IBM Lab, R&D Microsoft Lab, Sun Java Lab, .NET Lab, CDAC Garuda Lab, Internet Center, Apple iMac Lab, Cisco Net Academy, High Tech Lab, Cyber Forensic Lab, Intel Internet of Things Lab, Communication Lab 1, Electronic Circuits and Devices Lab, QMAX VLSI Testing Center, Linear Digital Integrated Circuits, Microwave and Optical Communication Lab, VLSI and Embedded Design DSP Lab, Microprocessor Lab, Electrical Machines Lab, Electrical Machines Lab 1 and 2. Smart Grid, Digital Design Lab, Electronic Circuits Lab, Digital Simulation Lab, Linear and Digital Integrated Circuits Lab, LDIC Lab, LabVIEW, Process Control Lab, Mechatronics Lab, Dynamic Lab, IC Engines Lab, Center of Excellence Multi-Fuel Engine Setup, Center of Excellence Biodiesel Plant, Metrology Lab, Metallurgy Lab, CAD Lab, CAM Lab CNC Lathe, CAM Lab CNC Milling Machine, Boiler Turbine.
Good afternoon, all. On behalf of Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute, I welcome you all for the national level webinar on published articles in indexing journals organized by Enrico Journal Club First Year BTech Department. My sincere and warm welcome to our resource person, Dr. K.Karthikeyan, Principal, Amman College of Arts and Science, Dindigul. Now, I would like to call upon Dr. M.V.L. Kumari from Physics Department to deliver the welcome speech.
Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon to one and all present here. On behalf of Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute, I welcome you all to the national webinar on published articles in indexing journals organized by Faculty of Engineering and Technology, Enrico Journal Club, First Year BTech. First of all, I would like to thank our Honorable President, sir, for giving this opportunity to conduct this event. I welcome our Vice Chancellor, Dr. S. Geeta Lakshmi ma'am, for this event. I also welcome our Provost, Dr. G. Gopalakrishnan, sir, for this event. I also welcome registrars, joint registrars, and other executives of our university for this event. I also welcome Joint Registrar, Engineering and Science, Dr. D.B. Jabaraj, sir, Dean, Engineering and Science, Dr. N.S. Subashri, ma'am. I also welcome the chief guest of today's event, Dr. K. Karthikeyan, sir, Principal, Amman College of Arts and Science, Dindigul. I also welcome all the participants for this wonderful event. Enrico Journal Club was established in the year 2017 exclusively for the first year BTech faculties to enhance the research activities. Once again, I welcome you all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. We have our dynamic leader, Dean ENDS, Dr. N.S. Subhashri, who always shows us the way to succeed. I welcome you, ma'am, to deliver the keynote address.
Thank you, Ms. Hema Sundari. Am I audible? Hema, am I audible?
Ma'am? Yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are
So, very
audible,
good
ma'am.
afternoon to one and all present here. Yeah, thank you, thank you. A very good afternoon to one and all present here. So, this is a proud and privileged moment for first year BTech. Enrico Journal Club, as mentioned, this journal club was started with a vision to enhance the research activity pertaining to first year BTech. So, we are very proud to organize such an event with an eminent personality, Dr. K.Karthikeyan, Principal, Amman College of Arts and Science. On behalf of first year, I welcome you, sir. Thank you for giving your valuable time for us. So I would like to mention one thing. Yesterday we had a trial meeting with sir. So I was really I was wondering with the way he had planned his presentation. So sir is going to tell some future of research. So many of you might think seeing the title something which is already known, but the research is a big ocean, especially publishing paper. Even a renowned researcher will find difficult nowadays, and we do not know which journal is in Scopus or Web of Science or whatever it is. So I think today's speech is going to enlighten us on different aspect. Sir is not touching on the regular aspects. He is going to tell us something which is different and new and future of research. So on behalf of our first year BTech, I really thank you, sir, and I welcome you. And I also congratulate the Enrico Journal Club, the coordinator, Dr. Andal, for bringing up such an eminent personality for the speech today and also organizing such a program. So once again, thank you all. Welcome all of you for this event. Thank you. Over to you, Hema Sundari.
Sorry for the interaction. Some network issues. Please join Hemisphere now.
Okay, then I think we can call Andal to introduce the chief guest. Yeah, I think she has joined.
பண்ணிட்டேனே
Now I call upon Andal ma'am to introduce our chief guest.
Very good afternoon to everybody. Am I audible, Saravanan sir?
Audible, ma'am, audible.
Okay, sir. A very good afternoon to everybody. It's my privilege to introduce our resource person, Dr. K. Karthikeyan. With his academic profile, he was completed his UG degree in MK University, Madurai, and PG degree in Bharatidasan University, Trichy, and he has completed his MPhil and MCA in Bharatidasan University, Trichy, and MK University, Madurai. He was completed his PhD degree in Bharatiyar University, Coimbatore. He was working as a lecturer in PKN Arts and Science College from June 2003 to 2006. Now he is working as a principal in Amman College of Arts and Science, Dindigul, from 2018 to till date. He has published 7 international papers in international journal, 1 paper in national journal. He attended international conference of 2 in IEEE. He published 3 books with ISBN number. He attended 10 workshops. His achievements: he got second rank in UG degree. He organized 2 national level conferences and 1 international level conference. He is the editorial board member in 3 international journals. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I welcome our resource person, Dr. K. Karthikeyan, Principal, Amman College of Arts and Science. Sir,
Yes, sir. Very good afternoon to one and all to participate in this event. And also, I express my heartfelt thanks to the chairman of Dr. MGR Education and Research Institute and most respected president of this institution and honorable vice chancellor of this Dr. MGR Education and Research Institute. And also, I express my heartfelt thanks to the other executives in this institution, and I express my warm thanks to the organizer of this program. Today webinar topic is publish article in indexing journal. Now we go to the topic. One hour kalsam. 1 hour kalsam. First of all, we go to the outline of this webinar. First, we see the what is the citation indexing and what is the concept behind in the indexing. So there is a lot of indexing database. We will see the 2 sample for this indexing database. First one is Web of Science. Next one is Scopus. And there is a bias in this indexing database. Next, we see the autonomous citation indexing database and future technology, that is the forecasting technology. It is the end of this session. And finally, we will conclude the session. First, so what is citation and why we are using this citation when publishing the journal? So, publishing a journal is one of the art to introduce our research concept to the world. It is identified by the research problem. So we can explain what is the research problem, what is the solution for that problem in a particular manuscript and publish in journal. The journal, after that, it will review by the subject expert and once again and recognize our research problem. Then the particular concept will be published in a journal. It is the scenario. It is we are following in when publish the journal. But what the scenario behind in the citation? The citation and indexing. It is a same keyword. But the reference and the citation, there is a difference. When writing an article, so we will use the reference list in the end of the particular research article. The reference list itself, what are the purpose the particular author referred in a particular research article when writing the research concepts in a research article. So when we see suppose there is an article R, the R containing a reference C. So there is a two research article we will find out. One is R, another one is C. The article C is referred by the other paper, referred in a paper R. So there is a reference list in paper R. It is a reference list, but the paper C got a one citation. Citation means the paper C got a referred by other journal, and also the reference listing available in a particular paper R. It is the difference, reference and the citation. Reference means the particular author referred a other article. Citation means particular article is referred by other article. It is the difference between the reference and the citation. So R contains a reference to C and C has a citation from R. This is a difference between citation and reference. The paper have number of reference and also number of citations have a particular paper. So the number of citation will be stored in a database. It is a citation indexing. The database is called citation indexing. It is the difference between reference and citation. So it is the index. These are the details are stored in a particular database. So paper X has a citation, Y has a citation, R has a citation, Q has a citation. So these are the papers referred by the paper C in a 4 article referred paper C. So the paper C got 4 indexing, 4 citation indexing. So citation indexing, the citation article makes a linking between the two cited works. The same work is cited by more number of research articles. So it is a literature search for the researcher to find out the subsequent articles to cite a given article. So it is invented by Dr. Eugene Garfield. For example, we will take ISI indexing and Scopus indexing. First, we will see the Institute for Scientific Information. It is one of the famous indexing database. The index is the link between the cited and the citing works. Index is the linkage between the listing the both cited and citing work. In ISI indexing database must contain a science citation index, and another one is social science citation index, and another more than and the third one is arts and humanities citation index. There is a 3 different indexing database that maintained by the ISI journal. There is also a multidisciplinary indexing database also. So ISI in old days it was called Web of Knowledge. Now it is a Web of Science. It provides access to the science citation indexing, social science citation indexing, arts and humanities citation indexing. They will update it in weekly basis. The database indexing database available from the 1986. So these are the previous years indexing journals are available in a printed version in the library. So we are also multidisciplinary information also we will access and indexing in the indexing ISI Web of Science database. User can navigate the searching journal forward backward option to have study the literature work, searching all the disciplines and all over the time what are the information available in the indexing database. So it is the advantage of the ISI journal is there is no subject to judgment. It is the relevant work related information is available in a indexing database. So you have to search in faster manner. There is no limit to indexing the terms. All the cited references are indexed in a full research article are indexing in a ISI, Web of Science indexing database are available. And what is the problem with the ISI database? There is a manual effort during the indexing. There is more expensive, and also there is a bias issues. We will see on next slide what are the biases available in the ISI database. So it is a solution for manual effort and expenses. We will reduce only the possible solution, the way to autonomous citation indexing. It is the possible the way to adapt to indexing the database. It is a unique and fast and less expensive. It is only whether you have to maintain a autonomous citation indexing database. We will see the what is the autonomous citation indexing end of this session. The next is Scopus indexing. So there is one of the most familiar indexing database. The Scopus offer to indexing are the profiles and affiliation and number of publication and bibliographic information, references, and all the details are indexing in a Scopus indexing database. And also it maintain a abstract data only indexing available in a indexing database. And also you have the features. The register uses to maintain the calculate the text index value of the each research author, and also maintain the citation data, and also it provide a measurement for the journal ranking based on the impact factor. It is alternative to the impact factor. It maintain a journal ranking also. So it is the information related to the Scopus indexing. There is a difference between the Web of Science and the Scopus. So we will, the most researcher want to publish the journal, publish in a research article either in Scopus or Web of Science. But there is a difference. The Scopus indexing database is a subset of the Web of Science. The research art journal available in a Scopus, it is also available in a Web of Science. But there is a the difference are available in Web of Science. It is a core collection. Entire research article available in a Web of Science, but in Scopus, the only abstract are available in a Scopus indexing database. And also it is a measuring, Scopus is measuring impact factor, but Web of Science is measure all the details related to the authors and journal. So Scopus is very useful alternative for the measuring the citation impact of articles, journals, and authors. But the Web of Science is measured all the details, bibliographic information related to the journals and authors. But the major difference between the Web of Science and the Scopus is the Web of Science maintain all the information in a research article. I means the title of the research article, author of the research article, and keywords and abstract. Full text available in a research article, it is maintained by the Web of Science, but the Scopus, it is only maintained the abstract and title of the research article and author details only. It is the major difference between Web of Science and the Scopus. So next we will see the what is the bias in citation database. Already we are using the lot of indexing database. We will see only the two indexing database, Scopus and the Web of Science. Other related indexing database usually either only indexing the abstract or only the journal and the author details. Many of the indexing database use the full text related information. They are maintained in the indexing database. But there is a bias in a citation database, all the citation database. So what are the bias exist in a citation database? We will see the one by one. The bibliographic indicators do not represent all the publication. So this database, we have an international coverage only they have to maintain. They contain more minor US journals than minor European journals. The most of the indexing database maintain a so European and US based journals. And there is no possibility, no way to maintain the non-English language journals. They only maintain English language journals only. Non-English language journals are not as comprehensively indexed. From a non-English speaking world perspective, the bibliographic indicator represent only the international level, predominantly English language. They have higher impact, peer-reviewed, publicly available research output are there. But the non-English speaking language in international journal not indexing in this citation database. It is the main problem. So then we want the autonomous citation indexing database. This point of view, we will need so one more indexing database. It is autonomous indexing database. Autonomous indexing database means all the language journal must indexing in a indexing database. Then only we will provide the particular journal. That will improve the enhancement. After that, we will provide the research concept to the world. We have a lot of Tamil related indexing journal, Tamil related journal. We will publish the Tamil articles also. Other language articles are published in a respective language journal, but there is no provision to indexing in this database. So particularly in purpose indexing or science citation indexing, Web of Science citation indexing. It is the problem when publish the regional language based journal. So we want the autonomous citation indexing database. That is the reason we will introduce that type of indexing database. And another, there is a recurrent criticism. Journal selection is biased by the internal management decision of the ISI. So not only the ISI, also Scopus also. The Scopus is a subset of the Web of Science. That only we will mention only the ISI. So there is a different algorithm that are used. They have maintained the internal management. The journal selection is based on the particular decision of their own own indexing database. That is the another issue. So only journals are indexed. Only journals are indexed, not monograph. The monograph not indexed. Monograph means so single author article. So journal may write more than one author. Mostly there is a two other, guide and scholar. But monograph is a, for example, for monograph is writing a thesis, research thesis. Research thesis is a, so one of the research manuscripts, it is called monograph. The monograph is not indexing a this type of citation database. In ISI or Scopus, we will not, there is no provision to indexing the monograph. So another, there is lacking the correlation between the most highly cited authors article only indexing a particular journal, and also the monograph is not indexing a this type of citation database. This is another problem. So there is no provision to indexing a monograph. There is a internal management to select a particular journal, and also we need autonomous citation indexing database because there is no provision to indexing a other than the English language. This is the bias available in a citation database. These are the points I want to point out in this webinar session. So there is a autonomous citation indexing options is cites here. So cites here is a scientific searching tool for searching a autonomous citation indexing and a citation context full text indexing possibility. There is a related document identification possibilities are there. You have provided a query sensitive summarizers are there. And also you have to tracking the particular research article. There is also available in a graph analysis, citation graph analysis. These are the features available in a autonomous citation indexing. So it is cites here is an example for autonomous citation indexing database. So these are the provided autonomous citation indexing. Also citation context are there. Full text of the particular research article you will possibly be indexing. There is a related document identification are there. So related document identification means you have to have the research problem in a particular area. Then you have to compare, have to find out or identify the already papers published. These type of concepts are already available. You have to find out the searching the related your research area. You have to related research concept identification. That means the related research concept identification, and also have to get a result query based. There is a tracking possible tracking facilities are available. You have to forward searching or backward searching are there to find out the research concept, and also citation graph analysis are also available in a site here. It is an example for autonomous citation indexing database. Sites here, it is first download the entire papers and convert into a text. Next, obtain a citation and full text indexing. Finally, it is stored in a database. These are the work scenario behind in a site sheet. So first, document acquisition, you have to download the papers. The papers may be in a PostScript or a PDF format. Then locate or identify the particular research article. Then download from the web source. After that, I have to convert into a text document parsing. It means document parsing. The information extracted from the research article. The information extracted from URL or header, abstract, introduction, and the citation context, and all the full text of the research article. In particular citation parsing, you have to find out there is a options are available in your sites here. Natural language citation. Natural language means you have to what language you are using in a research article. The particular natural language you have to cite it. The same article we have to use the citation statistics also. So querying, you have to provide a keyword based search query. When you have to get a list of citation, the matching to the particular query. And also we have to find a related documents. It is combination of weighted similarity measures. I have to use this website at siteshere.nj.nec.com. Class CS is a website for Siteshere. Siteshere search tool. From that we have to analyze your research article and also indexing your research article. So advantage of the sites here, it is completely autonomous and less expensive and more availability. The updated database also, there is no limit to pre-selected set of journals or publication delay. Literature search also available. You have to recognize the form of citation. There is no bias due to subjective selection or journals. There is not respected of purpose pre-printed technical reports, conference pressing also index. There is a provision available for feedback of the user. So these are the advantage of the Siteshere. Siteshere is the example for autonomous citation indexing. Autonomous citation means you have to indexing all language related research article. It is the advantage of the Siteshere. On the area in which the improvement, we want to improvement, it is more journals become available on online, but there is no provision indexing into the indexing database. Generally, we have moved to the autonomous citation indexing. There is Siteshere will not disambiguate two authors with the same name. There is a distinction between, there is no field in Siteshere. And similar document we have to retrieve from this enhanced and improved database also. There is a heuristic used to locate the articles could be improved in a autonomous citation indexing database. So in future prospectus and the technology forecasting. Technology forecasting means we will use the new technology for identifying or indexing your research article. So technology forecasting, it is forecast into the database information visualization and analysis system. DIVA. It was a bibliogrammatic analysis of the system. It is collection of scientific literature and pattern for technology forecasting. Because the indexing means you have to store into the database, you have get the report in the visualized format. So the document drawn from the technological field of interest are visualized as a cluster, group of documents. Cluster means group of documents and a two-dimensional map. The existing one dimension and another dimension is a new concept that will be the two-dimensional map. It will be clustering and permitting exploration of the relationship among the documents and the document clusters. So documents means you have proposed research work, and the document cluster means already existing related technology. So have to mapping these two proposed and existing technology. From that you have to visualize the document mapping. So what are the research literature area available in a particular research concept? So this is the document mapping. These are the available in your database information visualization and analysis system. Visualization and analysis system is a new area in which you have to mapping the document existing and proposed, in which you have to find out your research concept. What are the research contributing to this society? It is the inciting area, is a new trend in the technological field of interest. It is the clustering of documents. These are the area are already available in existing documents, existing research documents. So how to mapping our proposed and existing document map. It is the proposed mapping. These are the existing map. So have to mapping the year of publication from 1985. This research area is starting from 1985 to 2000. So these number of documents are available in this particular area. It is the documents per year. The year of publication and documents per year, it is the document mapping. So document frequency versus time mapping. So this type of document mapping we will provide in this visualization and analysis system. These are the link between the clusters and the time period. So it is the forecasting technology. Now it is enhanced in the research area. It will be very useful, and we have to find out our research problem. What are the documents related to our current research problem are already available in the indexing database. We have to find out and mapping these two documents, and we have to draw the document timelines. You easily have to identify which number of documents are available in the particular area or particular time of period. These are the very useful technology are available in this visualization and data analysis system. So it is we will come to the end of this session. First, we will see the citation. What is citation and citation indexing? It is we were used more than 40 years. There is a concept reaching the influences and the applications. There is a many possibilities area to improvement of existing system and also developing the new uses in the network world. So improvement of existing system means you have to be using the indexing database. It is only based on the English language, and also we will move to the autonomous citation indexing database, and also the field need to develop into the visualization and data analysis into the new network world. It is a new technology we will introduce in this webinar. So from this webinar, I will conclude my session with more research article we will indexing in a autonomous citation indexing database, and also we will use the visualization and the data analysis system. It will be very useful when your research contribution to our research area. It will easily find out our research problem, and our research article will be indexing in a more got citation in a indexing database. These are the information I will convey to my participant in this webinar. Any questions? Madam, any questions?
Thank you for your elaborated and crystal clear explanation about the citation and also about the ISI database system, everything. I have one question, sir.
Madam, please, ma'am.
I want to know how the public patent details can be obtained from the database system.
The patent rights is here, madam. Patent right is here, one of the bibliographic information. So how get your rights from the patent? So the particular research concept you have to publish in your research paper. It is only one of the bibliographic information. The bibliographic information also indexing in a indexing database.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. So likewise, we have to do for literature survey for our research work also, sir.
Yes, ma'am. I will. Yeah. In this way, you have to. You have. Yeah. You have to do the literature survey also, ma'am.
Okay, sir. I think no more questions from the audience in chat box. Yes, Hemasundari ma'am. Hemasundari ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir, for your speech.
Okay, madam.
Saying thank you is more than good manners. It is spirituality. So now I call upon Dr. Krishnan to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, one and all. Gratitude is a powerful catalyst for happiness. It's the spark that lights a fire of joy in our soul. First of all, it's my duty to express my heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable Founder Chancellor and Honorable President for their constant support and encouragement to conduct such programs. Next, I would like to thank our beloved Vice Chancellor for her constant inspiration and motivation. I express my sincere gratitude to all the executives of Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute for their constant support and motivation. My heartfelt gratitude is expressed to our beloved Joint Registrar and our Dean Ma'am for their constant support and encouragement and being with us as a backbone in all the successful events. Importantly, let me now come to express my gratitude with all my humility for the most profound and informative talk by our today's guest speaker, Mr. K. Karthikeyan, Principal, Amman College of Arts and Science, and who has readily accepted to be with us today. Thank you so much, sir. I would fail if I do not extend my thanks and gratitude to all my fellow colleagues of this university, both teaching and non-teaching staff, technical team, Enrico Journal Club members, and finally, it is you, the wonderful participants, who made this program a grand success. Thank you is a small word. We at this university will strive to conduct such program periodically. So, all the participants, stay connected with us. Be blessed. Stay blessed. Happy Diwali in advance to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I request all participants to fill the feedback link which is posted in the chat box. Thank you all. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.